Did you know that Earth is the only known planet to support life? A fascinating fact, isn't it? This beautiful blue planet of ours, nestled comfortably in the vast expanse of space, is truly one of a kind. It's the perfect distance from the sun, neither too close to be scorched, nor too far to be frozen, but just right to nurture life. And what about water? Essential for life as we know it, water is abundant here on Earth. In fact, over 70% of our planet's surface is covered by it. And it's not just on the surface, water is everywhere, in the ground, in the air, even inside us. It's this unique combination of factors, the distance from the sun, the presence of water, and a whole host of other conditions that make Earth the only planet we know of to support life. So next time you step outside, take a moment to appreciate just how special our home planet is. Yes, Earth is indeed a special place in the universe. Ever thought the Earth was perfectly round? Think again. It's a common misconception that our planet is a perfect sphere, but in reality, it's more like an oblate spheroid. This means it's slightly flattened at the poles and a bit wider around the equator. Let's break it down. Imagine you're holding an orange. If you gently press down on the top and bottom, it will bulge out slightly at the sides. That's essentially the shape of our Earth. This oblate spheroid shape is caused by the Earth's rotation. As it spins on its axis, centrifugal forces push outwards at the equator, making it slightly wider. At the poles there's less force, so they're more compressed. So, it may not be an entirely round world we're living in, but it's still a beautifully complex and fascinating one. So, the next time someone says Earth is round, you know what to correct them with. You know we breathe oxygen, but do you know where most of it comes from? It's a common misconception that the majority of our planet's oxygen comes from forests and trees. However, the truth is quite different and incredibly fascinating. The real heroes in oxygen production are not the towering trees, but rather the tiny, almost invisible life forms in our oceans known as phytoplankton. These microscopic organisms live near the surface of the sea where sunlight is available. And through the process of photosynthesis, they produce about half of the world's oxygen. Yes, that's right. These minuscule marine plants, invisible to the naked eye, are responsible for every second breath we take. It's a remarkable testament to the hidden wonders of our planet, and the intricate balance that sustains life as we know it. So, the next time you take a deep breath, thank the tiny phytoplankton. Ever wondered how old our planet is? Let's dive into it. Our Earth, this vast, vibrant sphere of life, has been spinning around for approximately 4.54 billion years. Yes, you heard it right, billion with a B. Now you might ask, how do we know this? Well, scientists have used various techniques to estimate Earth's age. One of the most common methods is radiometric dating, which involves examining the decay of radioactive elements in rocks and minerals. This is like nature's own timekeeper, ticking away since the very beginning. Another method is through the study of the oldest rocks on Earth and moon rocks brought back by the Apollo missions. These ancient stones serve as a time capsule, giving us glimpses into the distant past. It's astonishing, isn't it? To think of the countless transformations our planet has undergone, the myriad forms of life it has nurtured, and the countless stories it has to tell. Earth has been around for a long time, and it's got a lot of history to share. Did you know there's an ocean beneath our feet? That's right, our planet is not just a blue marble because of the surface water. Deep beneath the Earth's crust, vast reservoirs of water have been discovered. These aren't oceans as you might imagine, with waves and marine life. Instead, they're locked up in the structure of the planet's rocks. This discovery was made possible by studying the seismic waves from earthquakes. Scientists found that these waves slowed down upon hitting a layer of rock called ringwoodite, about 1/3 of the way to the Earth's core. This slowdown suggested that the rock was saturated with water. The exact amount of water hidden in this deep Earth reservoir is still a subject of research, but it could be comparable to or even exceed all the water in our planet's oceans combined. This is a fascinating reminder of how much there is still to learn about our own planet. So Earth not only has surface water but also hidden oceans beneath us. Feel like everything is moving too fast? Well, you're not wrong. Earth, our home planet, isn't just sitting still in the cosmos. In fact, it's constantly spinning and moving at impressive speeds. Let's break it down. Firstly, the Earth rotates on its axis once every 24 hours. This rotation happens at a speed of approximately 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of a commercial jet. But that's not all. Earth is also orbiting the sun at an average velocity of about 67,000 miles per hour. To put that into perspective, that's nearly 93 times the speed of sound. So even when you're sitting still, you're actually moving and moving fast. You're spinning with the Earth and hurtling through space in our planet's orbit around the sun. It's a wild ride, isn't it? And the best part, it doesn't even make us dizzy. Yes, we're all moving at a breakneck speed even when we're sitting still. Ready for the last surprising fact about our planet? Let's dive right in. Did you know that our Earth is the only known astronomical object to harbor life? Yes, that's right. Despite our constant search for extraterrestrial life and the many theories surrounding it, Earth remains the only planet we know of where life exists. Isn't that something? It's a testament to our planet's unique conditions, a delicate balance of elements and circumstances that have allowed life to thrive. It's a thought that makes our Earth more special and more precious. So next time you gaze up at the stars, remember, we are on the only known living planet in this vast universe. So there you have it, 10 facts about our planet you might not have learned in school.